Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. This time we are doing a Mask Monday video on the Texas Chainsaw Massacre 2 movie. This is a really cool mask of Chop Top. I'm absolutely loving these and very excited to add them to my collection. If you are a fan of Texas Chainsaw Massacre, you need these for your collection, guys. Look at the insane detail on that. It's even got the ears and the nose sculpted into the neck. It's actually got real lace in as well, so it's lace stitching. It's such a good mask. Love the detail on this one. Love the hair on it. Hair's super pliable and super thick as well, which is really cool. I love Chop Top's sparse hair. It just looks so much like Bill Moseley. These are amazing masks, guys, and you need them for your collection. Right, guys, thanks for tuning in, and I will see you on the next one. Bye, guys.